Hello friends, welcome to Codeboard. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about IDE. We are going to see what is IDE, what are the benefits of and features of IDE and the various examples of it. So let's get started with the video. So as you can see, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now why is IDE called as Integrated Development Environment and what is it actually? So, it is a software used as an integrated platform by the developers to edit, debug, compile, and run the code. Now, as a part of every software, there are three main important components. First comes a text editor, where a developer actually writes the code. Then there is a compiler, which checks the code and converts it into a runnable file. And then there is a console output, where actually the logs or the errors are printed. So IDE basically converts all of them into one software. So this is what is IDE. But there are various other benefits and features of IDE. So let's check them one by one. The first being auto suggestion. So actually IDE writes most of the code for you. You don't need to take effort to write each and every word into IDE. So this saves a lot of time for the developer. Then there is another very important feature, pre-error detection. So there are some errors which a compiler can detect without actually running the code. If you make such errors, the IDE shows them while you type the code. So it saves a lot of time for you and shows you error beforehand. Then there is code maintenance and folder structure. So in very complex projects, there are many files wherein the developers write the code. Now without IDE, it would be very difficult to navigate through such files and actually type the code. So through IDE, we can easily search through the folder structure and maintaining the code becomes really easy. Then there is inbuilt compiler, debugger and interpreter. Now every software needs these components and the IDE provides it for you. So you don't need any other software for these components. Then there is graphical user interface. This really makes easy for the beginners or new developers to actually adapt to the concept of coding. Then there is version control. Now many of you must be new to the concept of version control. We will cover this concept into later videos, but for the understanding purpose of features and benefits of IDE, through version control, actually multiple developers can work on the same code at the same time. So that is one of the most important features that we can achieve through IDE. Then there is integration with other platforms. Now you can see most of the organizations or even individuals are moving their code to the cloud platforms. So IDE needs to push that code to the cloud platforms. So we need to integrate with those platforms or any other testing platforms for that matter. So with IDE, this becomes very easy. Now, what are the benefits of these features? It becomes faster to do the development, it becomes easier to do the development, and maintaining the code also becomes very easy with these features. Now, there are various IDs available in the market, but there are few which are the most preferred ones. The first one being Eclipse. Now, Eclipse is a widely used IDE which is open source and it is used for Java and web development mostly. Then there is NetBeans, which is another open source IDE used for Java, PHP, and web development. Then there comes IntelliJ. This is a very intelligent IDE, and you can develop the code in Scala, Kotlin, Java, etc. using this IDE. Then there is Spring STS. So now the concept of RESTful APIs in Spring Boot is very booming, and coding into Spring Boot is really easier and faster using Spring Boot. So these are the most preferred IDEs. We'll learn about each of them into coming videos, and we'll also have a comparison on what basis you should actually choose the IDE you want to work on. So meanwhile, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.